Today we're harvesting the first spring barley. It's not really ready yet, but when the weather says go, then we go. But we know in a week or so if we should have waited. It's our second year with no-till planting, and I realized that a simple crop like spring barley seems to be very sensitive to soil compaction, and also if it's a cold spring, that if we don't touch the soil doesn't heat up. The grain would germinate fine, but the number of tillers was less than expected, and definitely less than we are used to in a cultivated field. But we learn every year. This is where we unload grain. It goes either from here into the store or into the dryer. In this case it was barley, and it's still not below the target, which is 15% or 14% if it's for malting, so we'll have to send it through the dryer. The dryer is a continuous flow dryer. It's a second-hand one from a range store that we took down many years ago and put up. It's high capacity for our size of farm, but now it's there. 15 ton per hour. We use natural gas to heat up. We are not far from a pipeline, so we get it directly from the North Sea, as I used to say. So we never run out of gas. I hope not. Truck runs fast. Shit. After drying, the grain end in the store where we can cool it. We cannot dry it in here. We can only cool it down or keep the temperature down. And then it's left here. The air channel at the floor is with posters is placed so that we can drive in between with a loader, and then when we see those posters in the grain, we know we have to be in between.